you want to start a YouTube channel, or you want to get a free Google Photos free storage. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account without any phone number. So you can create unlimited Gmails without any phone number. So right here, we're going to select any of Google service. You can see there's like YouTube, there's Gmails, there's Google, Drive, anything you want. So we're going to go into one of the accounts, and then we're going to press the bottom here. This is YouTube. When you press switch account, there's a plus sign right there. When you press the plus sign right there, you can actually register a new Gmail. I'm going to put my fingerprint there. And now you just need to wait. And now you can create a new account. Once you create a new account, you should go for personal use. Once you go for personal use, now you can type anything you want. Press next. And then right here, you must type 2009, okay? And that way, the Gmail will think that you don't have a phone number, so they will not require you any phone number. When you press next, you can do whatever you want, blah, 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 blah. No space, da, 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 da. And then now I'm going to type in a password, which I'm not going to tell you. Okay, so blah, 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 blah. Okay. And now you can see there is no more phone number required. When you press next, agree, you can see Google service is registered without any phone number. Now when I scroll all the way down, you can see my new Gmail has been registered. You want to see if this is real? You can actually subscribe any channel you want. Okay, just say I'm going to subscribe my other channel. I can actually easily subscribe my other channel with no issue. I can actually watch my video. I can press like. I can leave comments. Okay, nice. With no issue. Okay. So this is actually legit. If it doesn't work on you, you might want to check it out why it doesn't work on you. But you can see I can register a new Gmail without any phone number. Please subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.